Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 30 to 80, convert date to binary. So this is another recent coding problem on the binary numbers. So we are going to go through this problem today. We are going to implement our Java solution code to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription is really valuable and important for the channel. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their coding, Java and MySQL SQL related interview questions. So let's start. You are given a string date representing Gregorian calendar date in the yyyy-mm-dd format. Date can be written in its binary representation obtained by converting year, month and day to their binary representations without any leading zeros and writing them down in year hyphen month hyphen day format. Return binary representation of the date. Okay, so this is what the problem statement says. The date dot length is 10, date 4, date 7 is equal to hyphen and all date i's are the digits. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples here. So 2080, 02 and 29, if this is the date given, then you have to convert this number 2080 into binary. So this is the binary number, then you have to convert 02, which is 10 in the binary, and 29 is 11101, right? So you have to convert these numbers basically into binary numbers, and you should not have, they are saying that you should not have any leading zeros basically, right? Without any leading zeros. So here is another example, 1900, and so 1900 is this binary number, 01 is just 1 and 01 is just 1 basically, right? Why just 1? Because they are asking us not to put any, so without any leading zeros, right? Without any leading zeros. Okay, that's why. Okay, so we can directly use the integer class as a two-string binary method, two binary string method here. So we can directly use this method actually. So you have to just give a number and it will give you a string in a binary format basically, right? So return string representation of integer argument as unsigned integer in base 2. So this is the integer class method and it's a static method, so you don't have to instantiate the class. So I'll directly go to the code where we can discuss this code more. So convert date to binary is the method we are implementing here. Date is given to us in the string format. We'll create one instance of a string builder, right? Because we want to append, like when you want to dynamically form a string, you can use a string builder class, right? We will split this string based on the hyphen sign. So we will get array of strings, correct? So what things we will get? We will get year, month and date, day, right? In that array. After that, we'll start going through each of that strings, right? So what are the strings here in the array? You will get first year, then what you will get, then you will get first year you get, then you get month and then you get day, right? So after that you just take that number s and you will just use integer dot to binary string, right? Integer dot to binary string method, and here you will have to parse that number basically, because you have to pass integer here, right? So you see integer is the argument, so you have to convert that string number into integer number. You can use integer dot parse int for that. Once you get that number, you get the int number here. Once you get int number, you have to pass that to binary string method and it will give you binary format, and you have to just append a hyphen sign, right? Okay, and then at the end, so you will keep appending that, like, so you will have one extra hyphen sign at the end, right? So you have to remove that. How you will do that? sb.setLength, sb.length -1. So that extra hyphen sign that you get at the end here, because we have appended it here, so you have to remove it. So we are removing it here by by removing the last character, and then you have to just return sb.toString, and that should give you the date in the binary format, right? So this is it basically. So we'll just run this code, make sure this code compiles and runs. So let us check. So you can see that the test cases are getting passed. We are getting correct result, as you can see here, and it is also handling that it's not putting 0 in the beginning of, if it is 0 1, it already removed that 0 1 basically, correct? So it's taking care of that already. So if you read this documentation, then you will see that So this is the method that we have used. So with no extra leading zeros, so it is already removing that leading zero basically, so you don't have to worry about that. So our code is working correctly, looks like. So submit this to the Leetcode, make sure this code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the code is successfully accepted. It's 79.32% faster than other submissions for this problem, which is pretty good. So this is how you can solve this problem on Leetcode. 30 to 80 convert date to binary. So make sure you know these integer class methods. These are important methods. Many times you will need this in the online coding test as well. So go through these methods and try to remember these methods, because these are very important methods that for converting numbers into binary. And bit count method, for example, this is another important method. So make sure you go through this documentation, read these methods. It will be definitely helpful for you. And if you like this video, and if this video help you understand this problem of converting a date into binary format, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really valuable and important for this channel. It really helps and supports this channel. Guys, it takes lots of efforts to create these videos. In many of the videos we have to create images, and it takes a lot of creativity to come up with different examples. So if you really want to appreciate our efforts, then try to be generous, give it a like to the video. Click on the subscribe button so that you will get subscribed to our channel we here, and click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you won't miss any upcoming interesting videos from our channel. Here we create content and videos to help others in their interview preparation process. The important playlist for you that you should not miss from this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices and trees. The important data structures playlist that you should check is stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap and max heap. So this will definitely give you a good preparation for your interview rounds, will help you learn how to solve and implement the Java solutions for different varieties of problems that gets asked in interviews. So check them out, you will definitely learn a lot from those videos. And thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and have a great day ahead.